What do you think?
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
Once you see that the flour is slightly brown, like this, so we're gonna keep mixing until we have a thick paste-like consistency. It's like a thick paste. Lasito. This thing is ready. Rajasthani mirchi.
And how do you eat it?
So either you can eat it as it is, or you can eat with dal or chawal, or you can make a taco.
Okay.
Yeah, so I will make you one. Take one roti and then
No, I want this, por favor. This.
see, like that. Make a roll and eat it.
Okay, then you take your taco.
Okay, like this.
Chocolate.
Cheers. What do you think? Spices are very well balanced.
Rajasthani sabji बहुत ही बढ़िया. Gracias for making these delicious chilies for me.
My pleasure.
Adios.